Hi everybody, Beth Dotson here with HomeZada. I hope you're having a great day. So today we're going to talk about what it means to track completed maintenance tasks and why that's important. So the first thing we want to talk to you about maintenance tasks, and specifically when they're completed, is knowing when you last performed that task will enable you to perform it next. And most of our maintenance tasks are recurring tasks. Oftentimes we have one-time tasks, but most of them are recurring. And they recur in several different ways. They recur monthly, they recur quarterly, semi-annually, annually, biannually, and sometimes every several years. For instance, 5 to 7 years is a good time frame to replace the springs in your garage doors and to lube up the wheels that you have in your garage doors so that those garage doors don't come crashing down. So those are a couple of things. The second thing to keep in mind and why it's so important to track completed maintenance tasks is that you can start establishing a budget. So when you know when you last did something and you have a cost associated with that, you now understand how much you've spent for those particular types of tasks. And that helps you identify one, your spending habits and your cash flow throughout the year. Two, it helps you establish monthly and annual budgets over time. And then three, it prepares a budget for you for next year so that you can understand exactly how much your maintenance will cost year over year. And that's also important so you can budget for that. So the third reason why I would say tracking completed maintenance tasks is important is because when you finish these tasks, you now have the ability to track the reminders of those tasks. And those reminders specifically can be sent from within HomeZada to you as to when you need to perform them next. So one of the things that happens when you get those reminders, you no longer have to argue with your spouse over, no, we did, no, we didn't, yes, we did, no, we didn't. That was one of my biggest issues that I had. And one of the reasons why HomeZada is here today, because I created it. So making sure you understand when you need to perform it next and there's no guesswork in it. So all of this can be done within HomeZada, tracking your completed tasks, when you completed them, how much you completed them for, and when the next ones are going to recur after that. So I invite you to go visit us at HomeZada.com, check out the maintenance tasks, and also if you have any questions, let us know in the comments or give us an email at info@HomeZada.com.